Hey y'all, Caleb the camera guy here. Today's gonna be a little bit different than my normal videos. Today we're going to a truck show. Should be a lot of fun. Just figured I'd take you guys along for the ride and see some of the cool shots we get. So my buddy John's out at the San Marcos airport right now with his brother Jesse. His brother Jesse rebuilt a 1971 GMC C25. Basically from the ground up, every nut and bolt. It was his first truck he ever got. Took him 20 years to rebuild it, and now he's taking it out to shows and showing it. Today's show is at a airport in San Marcos, so it should be pretty cool. They're gonna like line all the trucks out, pull some planes out, and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to just get out there and get some cool pictures and some cool videos of these badass trucks. Got this wagon a while ago, and man, it's made such a difference. So I don't have to load crap around on my back anymore. Just getting real tired of that. Well, what's up, guys?
That's what I'm talking about.
How's it going? Just getting loaded up here real quick. Fucking do it. Where are we going? So here we are. We're out here with the boys. There's John. There's Jesse. This is his badass truck right here. Look at this thing. We're gonna try to do a wagon gimbal shot. This thing says 225 pounds, but it also says don't sit in it. But we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna get in here and then maybe John's gonna pull me around a couple trucks for some really smooth shots here. Let's see what happens. Oh. Yee-hoo! Yeah! Yes, it's gonna get us some real smooth shots here.
Choose your weapon.
Let's do this. Boys are just buttoning up the truck real quick. We're about to go over and get some pictures with the plane they got in the hangar over there. This is super badass. Here comes Jesse's truck. We're about to park it in here.
Truck is 071 Keith Jacobson.
Okay, so right now they're announcing the top 25 trucks. So let's see what happens. Hopefully Jesse gets in there.
Next truck is number 112 Norm Baker. Next truck, number 116 Ralph Hernandez. All right, next truck, number 110 Brent Phelps. Next truck, 121 Tony Alvarez. All right, next truck, Jesse Witten.
Jesse!
Jesse.
Woo! all the way here from Houston for this. How's it feel to win?
Feels great. Unexpected, man.
Yeah.
Got that tingling sensation all the way through me, baby. Feeling good.
Hell yeah. Well, that was a whole lot of fun in the sun. Let's get into the editing chair. I hope you guys enjoyed riding along with me today. I know I had a really good time. I'm not a big car guy, truck guy, but just getting out and shooting video and photos of stuff that you don't normally shoot is really good for growth. And while I was out there, I had multiple people ask me to shoot videos for them or photos for them. And the only way you're ever gonna get that is if you just get out there and try something different. I purposely didn't put too much of Jesse's truck in this video just because John has already made a video about his truck. And if you wanna watch that video, it is badass. And I'm gonna put the link somewhere over here. One of these. If you wanna see that full video, go check it out. I guarantee you, if you like trucks and classic cars and stuff like that, you'll love this video. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. I might do some more of this vlog type stuff. I don't know. I had a pretty fun time doing it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. As always, stay tuned for the next one. If I had any piece of advice, it'd be get you a wagon, because look at this. They see me rolling, they hating. Whole lot of fun. I got a ton of sun. Let's get into the editing chair. I said editing chair. Editing chair.